Okay, this little dog park is called Community Common Dog Spot here in Mississauga, right by Square One. And as you can see, it's surrounded by gorgeous greenery, trees and grass and beauty. But here's this disgusting little enclosed dog park full of gravel for some reason. Kind of like a giant litter box. There's poop everywhere. There's cigarette butts littered everywhere. I mean, is no one cleaning this? Is no one tending to it? There's some big electrical thing in the middle that's fenced off, so it's basically just like a semicircle of gravel. My dog just hasn't stopped sniffing all the poops. Pretty pathetic, Mississauga. Should be ashamed. Just littered with cigarette butts and poop throughout this whole place. I've never seen my dog so excited to leave a dog park. I mean, there are no dogs here, but I just wanted to also show the overflowing waste bin. Disgusting. What do you think, Charlie? What rating do we give this park? A 0 out of 10? That's it. Pretty pathetic. You can do better, Mrs. Hawk.